Hello and welcome to another video. By the end of summer, Bloomberg, CNBC and JP Morgan predict oil prices could top $100 per barrel. However, before you start buying shares of ExxonMobil or Chevron, I think you should check out these two profitable stocks which are trading below $20. Currently, the oil markets face the biggest threat in 100 years because of new energy revolution. The demand for oil is beginning to spike, and the US has already invested hundreds of billions of dollars in the industry. I'm supportive of the market over the period due to tightening fundamentals, and there are two stocks that stand to benefit from this more than any other, and Wall Street doesn't seem to notice. The two companies I'm talking about are Sable Offshore and Vermilion Energy Inc. So let's start with Sable Offshore. Sable Offshore is an American company conducting oil and gas exploration and development operations. In September 2024, the company expects to restart the Santa Ynez Unit and Las Flores Canyon processing plant, which can boost its profitability. Now, the interesting fact about the company is institutions own the most shares in the company with 32% of shareholder. The presence of significant institutional investments in a company is often considered desirable, and recently SSE hit a 52-week high of 15.39 and has risen over 20% since the start of the year. And if the oil prices increase, SSE can reach $20. Now, let's come over to Vermilion Energy. Based in Calgary, Canada, Vermilion Energy is a global oil and gas producer with activities across North America, Europe, and Australia. The company's geographical diversification gives it a competitive advantage. From a financial standpoint, Vermilion Energy has demonstrated positive free cash flow over the previous 3 years. The company made over $376 million in sales and had a positive ROE of 11.65% for the first quarter of 2024. The stock is down by more than 35% since the start of the year. However, its intrinsic value suggests an upside potential of 38%. If the oil prices goes above $100, Vermilion Energy Inc. can even rise to 61% from its current value. So, I hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.